Hello, Internet. Time is a non-renewable resource. We only have so much of it. We have no idea how much of it we have. We're always running out of it, and we never get any more of it. We can get more water, we can get more food, we can get more money. We can never get more time. And by the way, welcome to the Empirical Sword. I'm a Lord Master DLC 7-9, and I happen to believe that school doesn't teach. We have to be the masters of our education, and that means learning the things that school should be teaching but isn't, such as we never get more time. And yet we waste it every single day. So let me ask you this. Do you have a dream or some huge, massively important, at least important to you, goal that you want to achieve within your life? Are you working on it right now? And if you're not, why aren't you? And the things that you are doing in place of what you should be doing to achieve this goal, they're wasting your time. Binge watching Game of Thrones or Walking Dead or whatever else there is out there. If you have some major goal that you want to do to like change the world or change your life, that's what you should be working on. Not consuming entertainment, not diving into social media. In fact, a friend of mine recently announced that she's dropping all social media, and well, some people were kind of upset with that. I mean, I get it. This person has goals, things that she wants to work on. No distractions. That's how we should be living, not just convincing ourselves that our dreams are too big to achieve, so why bother? That's what it is, really. We exaggerate how big and how complicated things are so that we don't do the work. And we convince ourselves that we can't possibly do it. That's why we waste time right there. We convince ourselves that whatever we want to do is too big, too complicated, too hard, or it'll take too much time. Yes, it will take time. It will take too much time away from distracting ourselves. And you're trying to feel good in the moment. I mean, everything that I'm doing to achieve my goals, it's not fun. I mean, some of us, this right here, this is fun. This is like a minimum or a very small minority of what I'm doing. And I mean, typing out titles and descriptions and trying to figure out a title that's clickable, that's not fun. I would rather not do that. And there are times when I just like choose a title because it's easier than finding a good title. And I should not do that, but I'm human. I do the same time wasting things that everybody else does. I just purposely and mindfully try to do less time wasting than other people. But our brains weren't designed to be constantly distracted. Our tendency to distract ourselves and to waste time, that's a holdover from like caveman days, when every day was a fight for survival. If there was food in front of you, you were either actively and aggressively hunting it down so that you could kill it and eat it, or you were gorging yourself on it right there in the moment, or you were conserving energy so that the next time you had to hunt for food, you would have energy to hunt food. Our tendency to distract ourselves today is a holdover from, okay, we've just gorged ourselves on this giant beast. Let's conserve all this energy. It's an energy-conserving reflex. We don't need that in today's world. We don't need to constantly distract ourselves and just lounge around and waste time so that when it's time to strike on our prey, the time to strike is now. Right now is the time to strike. Go, whatever it is that you're hunting in your life, and I'm not meaning that in any particular literal way. I mean, okay, maybe you're a literal hunter. Go do that if you need to. but don't kill all the animals because the rest of us need to eat. I'm meaning it figuratively is what I'm saying. Whatever goals or dreams you have, you're hunting them. You're hunting them down. You're chasing them down. You're pursuing them. Do it right now. Now is the time to strike. Don't wait until the time is right. The time is right now. In fact, the time was probably right 20 years ago. You might be late. But you know what? Late's okay. Late is better than never. Do it now.